Hey there, productivity enthusiasts. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer amount of tasks on your to-do list? Trust me, I've been there. But what if I told you there's a simple tool that can help you prioritize and tackle your tasks like a pro? Today, we're diving into the Eisenhower Matrix, a game changer for productivity. So what exactly is the Eisenhower Matrix? It's a method that helps you decide on and prioritize tasks by urgency and importance, sorting out less urgent and important tasks which you should either delegate or not spend much time on. President Dwight D. Eisenhower, who had a knack for productivity, popularized this technique. Imagine a grid with 4 quadrants. The top left quadrant is for tasks that are both urgent and important. These are your crises, the tasks you need to handle right away. Think of deadlines, pressing issues, and emergency situations. Then, you've got the top right quadrant, which is for tasks that are important but not urgent. This is where long-term projects, personal development, and strategic planning fall. These tasks don't need immediate attention, but are crucial for your growth and success. Next, the bottom left quadrant is for tasks that are urgent but not important. These are the interruptions that can often distract you from your main goals. Things like answering some emails, attending certain meetings, or dealing with minor issues. Delegate these if possible. Finally, the bottom right quadrant is for tasks that are neither urgent nor important. These are your time wasters, scrolling through social media, binge-watching TV shows, or any distractions that don't add value to your life. Try to minimize or eliminate these tasks. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you're working on a big project at work. Your boss just handed you an urgent report due by the end of the day. That's urgent and important. But you've also got a meeting tomorrow to prepare for. Important but not urgent. Meanwhile, your email is buzzing with notifications, urgent but not important. And of course, there's that tempting new season of your favorite show, neither urgent nor important. When you sort your tasks using the Eisenhower Matrix, you'll find it much easier to focus on what truly matters. This method helps you make deliberate choices about where to invest your time and energy. Remember, being busy isn't the same as being productive. The key is to work smarter, not harder. By regularly using the Eisenhower Matrix, you can transform your workflow and boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and remember, prioritize what's truly important. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more productivity tips.